Yo, what's going on? It's me, Boss Cat Astronaut, with another update. So today I wanted to take you guys through my process on how I do a bit of research on up and coming projects. There's basic things that I look for. Uh, is the project doing something new? Is there transparency in terms of the team? Do I like the art or the utility associated with the project? And also, from a social media perspective, like what are we looking at here? So if I can get all the way to the social media aspect, I'm closer to wanting to make a decision on whether or not to, mint a specific NFT. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it really quick. What I'm going to do is just something very simple, right? I went to wincnft.com. So that's wencnft.com. And essentially, all I want to do is look at the calendar, see what art kind of catches my eye, look at some of these dates, and we'll just go through a few projects so you can see my process. So I'm immediately going to take a look at these and go with what's standing out, which is original thread lookbook, right? When I think lookbook, I think someone's modeling clothing. Uh, this is called so not original, origin thread. So what is this project all about that mints on the 8th of August? So, okay, here's the lookbook. Okay, so it looks like for 100 ADA, uh, you can purchase. The garment is Bagru shirt. Okay, August 8th. Right. So let's do this. Let's click here first. Take a look at what we're seeing. Okay. So that's a pretty cool shirt. Since I'm seeing that in every picture, uh, and the description says so as well, they're showcasing the shirt there. It looks pretty cool. Looks quality. Uh, there's 15 of them, so limited amount. But this might just be for the lookbook. Uh, so not only do you have the shirt, you have the model wearing the shirt um, that you can always take a look at. So let's do this. Let's click on clothing here. Now, here's that same Bagru shirt, right? So let's say you wanted the lookbook to go along with your shirt. You have that option, right? Now, if you want to purchase the shirt, there's a limited edition of 60 of these for $200. They're organic cotton from India, cut and sewn, Bagru, India, cut and sewn in London, England. And you have your ID and sourcing information uh, that you can purchase via uh, NFT Maker, right? And I'll click on that to see what it looks like, right? So here's what I'm assuming. I'm assuming this video is kind of telling the story. I'm not going to play the video. Think that's kind of telling the story of what they do. It says every shirt is accompanied with an NFT. The NFT is assessed by scanning the combined QR code and NFT tag identifier that you see here on the screen, right? That's really cool. That's like real utility, right? As well as proving the authenticity and scarcity of your shirt, the NFT includes a video of the shirt's creation and permanently records fully transparent sourcing information. So you know uh, the origin of your shirt, where the garments came from, where they were cut and sewn. You have a video of the shirt being created. And this represents the authenticity of what you are buying. This is a game changer, especially when you uh, think of your uh, high society fashion houses like your Gucci, of course, Versace, your, you know, throw any of those names out there, Louis Vuitton, any of those, right? Imagine if you knew where the shirt was made. You have a video associated with that, an NFT, that proves the authenticity of whether or not your garment is real. This is actually really, really interesting and cool. And this proves the use case of an NFT, right? Block print is non fungible. The fabric for our first shirt was hand printed and dyed using a traditional craft process. Okay, cool. So, delivery of your shirt. You purchase the NFT, you can verify ownership uh, by claiming on originalthread.com/client. Then you select your size and enter your delivery information. Really, really cool stuff here. Let's see. Then they have sizes here. They have my size. That's great. That's great. Um, I like the concept. I think there's a real use case here in terms of what they're doing with this project. Um, so if you click on NFT Maker, just curious to see what will happen here. Okay, so for 300 and almost 88 ADA, that allows you to purchase the shirt, right? Using your Nami wallet or whatever it is that you're using, you can purchase the shirt that is authentically yours in proof that it is an original. You even have the video of the shirt being created. Really, really cool. It's exclusive, limited edition, scarcity associated with it. Really love the concept. Uh, if I wasn't, well, we'll see. When I get back from vacation, I'd love to take a closer look at this project. And I'm probably going to end up supporting this project because it's so cool and so original. So shout out to Origin Thread. I think this is a game changer. I think you guys are onto something really cool and really interesting. Um, so guys, go check them out. Oftentimes, when I'm looking at projects, I'm usually kind of like breezing through, but this is something new and original um, that shows love to the skilled artisans and craftsmen out there, designers that put together these pieces. Shows you all the work that they put into them and also provides you with a story associated with your clothing. I have no idea where this came from, except that there's a tag probably in the back that says it came from another country outside of the US. Other than that, I have no idea, right? Uh, for all I know, this could be a knockoff, right? So I like the idea of the originality and the proof of concept that this could work is already there, and I can easily see Supreme doing this. I can see. I just got a lot of my stash from Ape Fest. I can easily see Board Ape Yacht Club doing something like this. I don't know if I mentioned Supreme. Um, the list goes on and on with uh, fashion houses that would do this. So really, really cool stuff. This is a project I'm definitely going to look into more. And you know what? Uh, I want to honor these guys. This was supposed to be a much different video, but I'm going to honor these guys, and this is going to be a video for Origin Thread. This is really, really cool stuff. I advise you guys to go out and support them. Like I said before, what I usually do is I check out the social media. I don't know if they have a big following or how that works. This looks like a pretty legit traditional business here. Let's see. Let's see if we can find some social media really, really quick and then wrap up. Okay. So, okay. Origin thread. That's not bad, especially when they're doing a drop of 60 shirts. Okay, so 11 to 1200 folks. I really, really like this. They have a catalyst proposal on Cardano idea scale. I'll check that out as well. Um, really cool stuff. Nice. Kudos to you guys. Uh, hmm. There's a video of them actually making the garment. Oh, that's them receiving the garment from India. See, this tells a story. Your clothing is telling a story. This is Web3 at its finest. So shout out to Origin Thread. Go ahead and check them out on Twitter. Go check them out on their website as well. I'll put the links in the description. Uh, this is how you support Web3. You support projects that are doing real things that impact you in real life. This is a real use case for how NFTs are going to change the world, and I think these guys are doing a wonderful job of that. So salute to you. As always, say start every day with a grateful heart. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all soon.